From Shah Rukh Khan, Diljit Dosanjh, Kiara Advani, Mona Patel to Isha Ambani, we got to witness the most iconic and classy lookbooks at 2025 Met Gala that truly represents the world's biggest fashionable event this year theme tailored to you. And what is surprising is that some of them outdone everyone, not just by their dress but by wearing expensive unique accessories. Here, let's know what is unique about each look in this video. In case you don't know, the Met Gala is one of the grandest events in the world of fashion. It's held at Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York on the first Monday of May every year. This year, the show is undoubtedly expected to attract attention from India like never before, starting with Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, who became the first Indian actor to debut at Met Gala. His sublime black outfit, a walking cane with gold and diamond accessories, especially the long neck piece with letter K, designed by Sabyasachi Mukherjee. The most expensive thing he was wearing was not his dress or diamond neck pieces, but the watch. Yep. The Patek Philippe Grand Complication was crafted from 18K white gold, adorned with 118 emeralds and 291 diamonds, set in an invisible setting, which cost around $2.5 million and 21 crores in Indian rupee. Next, we have Punjabi global star Diljit Singh Dosanjh. Diljit Dosanjh made a debut hitting Met Gala steps in a look that truly represents the culture and resonates with the theme. The look was inspired by Sir Bhupinder Singh, the extra-virgin Maharaja of Patiala, styled by Abhilasha Devnani and designed by Prabal Guru. Though Devnani hoped to borrow the Maharaja's famed 1000-carat Cartier necklace to finish the look, Cartier refused to give, saying that it was now housed in a museum. So she instead enlisted to create custom jewelry, including a turban rouge. The outfit featured detailed embroidery of Indian culture symbols, lotus flowers, peacocks, the Gurumukhi script, and a cape depicting Punjab itself. Diljit Dosanjh's outfit was one of the best looks and most talked about at this year's Met Gala. The lucky couple Priyanka Chopra walked hand in hand with Nick Jonas in Balmain and Bulgari, marking her fifth appearance. Dressed in a sharp polka dot suit by Oliver Rousteing, she channels a modern take on an old Hollywood look. Bollywood diva and new mom-to-be surprised the fan in a custom Gaurav Gupta gown. Kiara Advani's sculptural piece titled Brave Hearts features an antique gold breastplate, symbolizing motherhood through two linked hearts connected by a chain umbilical cord. The symbol paid tribute to black dandyism and celebrate the legacy of Andre Leon Talley, merging couture with cultural homemade. India's richest man daughter Isha Ambani turned heads at 2025 Met Gala for two things. First, her outfit, custom designed by Anamika Khanna. The outfit features a sleek pant, a sharply structured waistcoat, and a flowing train crafted from hand-woven Banarsi fabric. Second thing was a vintage solitaire necklace. Isha came to be getting it from her mom, Neeta Ambani's personal collection. Many pointed out that it resembled to the megawatt Cartier John Dawson piece featuring Ocean's 8 film. According to British Vogue, the necklace in Ocean's 8 was a replica based on the real artifact of Maharaja of Navanagar in 1931, and a most expensive necklace in the history, created by Cartier that's around 700 crores. Now, is that the original piece or another replica? Nobody knows. Now, Indian designer Manish Malhotra also didn't stay behind in this case. First, he debuted himself in a luxury outfit and also designed Natasha Poonawala's outfit. Her gown pays homage to India's rich history of textiles. Now comes my favorite lookbook, the perfect combo of what technology and fashion together look like. Mona Patel opted for a custom suit along with a cape and corseted bodice from American designer Thom Browne. A key aspect of Mona's appearance was her canine companion, a robotic dog inspired by Thom Browne's design developed at MIT. The dog Vector was named after Browne's iconic Dachshund Hector, and its leash was made from 1000-carat emerald cut diamond. And as if that wasn't enough, she had a kinetic moving spine built into her bag. Mona Patel just took innovation to a whole new level at this year's Met Gala, isn't it? Well, let me know in the comment box what's your favorite looks from all of this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos.